If you're following these videos, you should know that we give you history, the interesting part of it, through stories, and we're trying to connect you with places so you don't just take pictures and that's it. But what I'm really trying to push you on is do things. Do things. Because it has never been, I'm gonna say it again, it has never been easier to do so. What do I mean? If you like, let's say, Pokemons, I like this example with the Pokemons. If you like Pokemons, record yourself from the camera and talk about Pokemons, write about Pokemons, take pictures of Pokemons, or audio, record yourself and just spread the word, spread your message. But I was thinking the other day, okay, I'm in my journey, I don't have big success, why people will listen to me? Well, I am now starting to take the fruits from my tree. What do I mean? As the title says, I got $100. Now I'm gonna tell you how I got it, the company, how you can do it, and hopefully this video will inspire you to do. I recorded the process, here it is, watch. Hello everybody, you're watching Curious Pavel, and today I have something different for you. I was approached by a company that asked me to make a review of a game, playing it, recording it, and send them the video. And if they like it, they will pay me. It looks nice, it sounds nice. So that's why I have this camera, that's why I have my phone. So yeah, let's see how this is gonna go. Hey everybody, today I'm gonna be playing for the first time Viva Slots, so let's slot a bit. Here's the app, Viva Slots, you open it, allow, they want my location. They're gonna knock on my door and give me a prize. Viva Slots, loading, initializing. So this app is supposed to make me feel like I'm in collect. What's going on? Okay, so it looks like these are the different games. Jackpot. Okay, let's pick one. Oh my, they just keep going and going. Oy. Okay, they finished. So let's pick this one. Upgrade. Oh no. Oh, okay. So the one that have the red rope, you need to upgrade for. So let's take this one for free. Machine is locked. Come on, really? Okay, let's start from the beginning then. This is locked. This is locked. This is open. Ready. Okay, what's going on? What's going on? I have time, 1 hour for something. Best value. I got lost. Okay, let's start with the very first one. Oh yes. Okay, so start with the very first one. You need to upgrade for the other ones. I suppose spin. Wow. I usually don't win at these things. It's bad, I don't win anything. So you can see on the side there are other people playing. Score! That was close. That was intense. Whew, my heart beats more. So, what, you can bet more? Yeah, I can bet more. Let's keep it 1,000. So I have 3,000 credit, level 1, and I can bet. Let's bet 1,000 now. Oh, damn it! Let's go back to 500. Damn it! Okay. Get free daily credits. Okay, you can get free credits so you can play every day. I don't want now. I feel lucky now. 5,000. Can I have 5,000? This must be something too bad, no? Damn it. Okay, let's go back to 500. Why 2 bars is nothing? 2 seconds nothing? I don't have credit. Okay, so you pay $5, you get 7,000 in credit. But you can break now for... no, I don't have money now. So I can reduce my bets to 100 and I can get to 50. To 50 and I can have 3 more spins. What is keeps happening when I bet 50? Why 2 bars doesn't do anything? I hate this. Oh! Damn! Okay, we're back in the game. Why we're 50? We can put 500 now. This is not going very well. You can see your credit up here. Oh man. You can see that credit that keeps getting low and low. Oh man. 50 is the lowest you can bet and I have 25. So I suppose that's game over. But if I reach level 3, what if I go back to the lobby? Can I play a different game? Okay, so every hour you get bonus. So what, every hour I get credit, I suppose? Yeah, I still the same credit. So yeah, buy credit. So looks like you can play every hour with some credits, or you can buy credits. And this is like casino. I mean, you go in the casino and you have different slots. You can play in different one and you can unlock. I think it's pretty cool. I really enjoyed it. It was quite quick because I'm not very good at this. All in all, good design, nice colors. I like how colorful it is, and also the music choice is really nice. It's really intriguing. Makes you feel, makes you play more and more. Good thing I don't put money because I'm gonna lose it very quickly. But you can also play for free, so definitely give it a try. Let me give you an update of the situation. After I sent my video to the company, I got an email from them saying, listen to this. Hi Pavel. Hi. Just got back from our editors. We were wondering if you could send us a video of you talking directly to the camera about the Viva Slots game. You don't have to play it while we do so. We love your energy. Oh. Firstly, thank you. And if it's energy you want, it is energy you're gonna get. So let's record something like... I just finished playing Viva Slots, and let me tell you why you should consider playing it. The game is for free, so once you go inside Viva Slots, you have different options of games, different types of games. So once you pick up a game, you can start directly playing. You get credit for free. Once your credit runs out, like what happened to me, you can pay for credit straight away, or you can wait and it's only an hour and you can get more credit and play more. If you see the game, the design, the music, everything, it's gonna make you feel like you're in a casino. So you don't need to go to an actual one to be in one. Consider it, give it a try, let me know. So I sent them this video, and then 5-6 days later I got this email. Listen. Hi Pavel. Hi. Your Beeroll video has been accepted. What's your PayPal?
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Let's talk a little bit about the company. It's called Beeroll, and they contacted me, as I told you. So Rachel sent me an email. Hey Pavel, we connect with brands, this and that. Please download our application. And she gives me a link. I didn't even open it. It looked spammy. I was like, what the hell is this? So I ignored it completely. But then Rachel did something really nice. About 3, 4, 5 days later, she wrote me again. Hey Pavel, hi. Did you manage to check our email? That made me think like, hey, this is for real. So I went there, I checked the email again, I checked the company, and then I wrote her, hey Rachel, that's a nice idea. She wrote me about the game, but your app, your application is only for iPhone, and I have Android. She's like, that's no problem. Just send me the files in WeTransfer. Spot on. As you can see, the videos, they weren't a big deal. Can you do better? Maybe, or maybe not. The thing is, they found me through Instagram. My Instagram was not my main thing. I was focusing on YouTube. But then again, while I was focusing on YouTube, I was focusing on Instagram, trying to do Facebook as well. Multiple sources. It's not like sources, but multiple networks. And what I tried to say that maybe you cannot do a better video, but maybe you write better than me. So if you keep writing, eventually somebody will find you. And if this somebody doesn't find you, you can just go and look for them. By the way, if you're comfortable in front of the camera, definitely check Beeroll and say hi to Rachel from me. What's the conclusion? As I said at the beginning, do things. Because when you do things, you're practically knocking on a door. And when you knock on the door, another door opens. Think what you love, or at least like, and start spreading your message. Hope this motivates you. Please let me know in the comments if that's the case. Please give me a like. Please share this video. And I will see you in the next one.